Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system installed for our customer's 1969 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block. You have the roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extension installed on there for his oil pressure switch for easy hookup. We have the proper front sump oil pan for the 69 Mustang installed. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. The roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges on there. With the matching Cobra air cleaner. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Aluminum intake manifold. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system's on there. We installed the throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. All the readings, the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We'll set the ignition timing. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system, the menu screen will be completely dialed in. All the settings set for you, plug and play. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. We install the manifold vacuum fittings on the intake manifold for any manifold vacuum hookups if necessary. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the AN fittings going up to the fuel injection. It's real nice. Wraptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, AC compressor, proper water pump for the 69 Mustang, lower hose on the passenger side. Thermostat housings on there, thermostat's installed. We have the coolant bypass hose on there, chrome dipstick and tube, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it, a complete custom built, turnkey, ready to go engine for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.